So I'm just going to show you guys how to marinate this. So I have in here a blend of onion. Please ignore the noise coming from the background. Merry Christmas to you all. Calling for early morning prayers. After that, I'm just gonna come in with a chicken flavored seasoning cube, and I'm adding a bit of salt. I'm not going to be using so much spices for this because I'm making soup, so I want it to be as natural as possible. Merry Christmas, guys. So now what I'm going to do now is I just try and mix this a little bit. Can I really mix this? You can see this is not working, so set it aside. Wash it. Make sure your hands are always clean. Just wash your hands, and I have to go in here with my hands. I don't think that one seasoning cube will be enough for this chicken, so let me come in with another one. Making egusi soup. Seasoning cube a little bit, feeling as if it's wet. So I think this is good now. All you have to do at this point is cover this up, and then you cook this till it's ready. Cover it up and you cook it till it's ready, and we'll be right back. Thank you, guys. So the first thing I want to do, I want to fry these chickens, and I want to fry them with palm oil. Yeah. Let me just put them here. I'm not going to waste no time. I'm not pushing the palm oil, so put the chicken. That's what I'm going to take. So when I fry, I'll be back. So, guys, at this point, I'm bringing in my egusi. I blended my egusi. I'm making use of 5 cups of egusi. So I blended egusi and then I mixed it up with 1 ball of onion. I just blended the onion smoothly with water, pour it into the egusi and mix it to form this paste. And now I'm cutting it into my stew to fry properly. No blend am well. I don't ever dey send you message. You blend well. So I also blended Oziza seed. I didn't want to blend it with my egusi so it doesn't make it black. You can see the seeds. I'm still going to add water to that. Unfortunately, it was not smooth enough. I blended it at home, but I'm going to make use of it. In here, I have my goat's meat, pomo, and stockfish. I cooked this together separately from the chicken. So I just brought it in now. I cooked my goat's meat, pomo, and my stockfish together, seasoned with a season cube, and set it aside before cooking my chicken separately. I'm adding bitter leaf to this. This is the first vegetable that is coming in. I'm just adding a little bit of bitter leaf for the flavor, not so much. So, but I like adding a bit of bitter leaf to this. At this point, I'm going to add a bit of salt. I had the taste of it, and I think I needed a bit of salt. If you notice, I didn't add any extra seasoning cube or anything. So I'm also bringing in my chicken right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you're having a lovely time at home. I hope you're enjoying your day. Enjoy your Christmas. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Do as much as you can do and leave the rest for God. So guys, while on this video, if you're enjoying it, please click on the like button, subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell as well, so that you get notified every now and then when I put up a new video. Once again, it's Merry Christmas from me to all of you. Thank you so much for your support all through this year. Thank you. The growth was massive. Thank you so much to 800 plus subscribers. I know we're going to get to 1,000 very soon, but I really appreciate you all. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for trusting me. Merry Christmas once more. So this is lozenge. Next I'm going to add now is my crayfish. Which we adding crayfish to this. This soup has so many constraints, as it should be. Merry Christmas, people. So, I want this to sit in here a bit and I'll be back. We're still constructing. Merry Christmas, guys. So this egusi is ready now. I'm going to start making my swallow. I'll be using pando. Oops. So I'm just going to turn this off now. And I'll see you guys in a jiffy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell as well. Thank you for staying tuned. I love you all. Happy New Year in advance.